Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can copy edits in Snapseed. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Snapseed application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, start editing the uploaded image to your liking. Once you've done the editing, tap on the layers icon at the top of the screen and a menu will slide up in front of you. Simply select View Edits from inside of it and tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner. Now select Copy from the menu and import the target image into Snapseed. Once you have the image imported, again tap on the layers icon at the top and select View Edits. Now tap on the three dots icon and select Insert. Once done, the settings will take place and all of the effects will be pasted onto the image. So that's basically how you can copy edits in Snapseed. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.